Today we are doing a Ulta haul slash full face of new makeup. So if you want to see what these products are on my face and if they're worth the money I spent on them, then just keep watching this video. I have you guys zoomed in because the first product is the Wet n Wild Brow Maximizer. This retails for $7.49 and I do not remember purchasing it. When I got my package in the mail, I opened it up and I was like, what is that? I do not remember buying this, but apparently I did. So one side is brow powder and the other side is a brow gel. Okay. I don't know how I feel about a brow powder in this form. This is a powder. Oh, and now we're out. Okay. That was one dip. We're getting some fallout that I don't love, and that's 2 dips. We had to go back in again. This doesn't seem like a very practical way to have a powder, but okay. I think that's as good as that's getting. And then on the other side, we have a brow gel. Oh, goodness. I was expecting this to be the handle like the other side was, and it's not. Well, that gel sure is something, though. The gel's not bad. I may go back in with the powder again after the gel sets, but we'll see. So this brow turned out so much better, which it normally does. This is like my good brow. And I tried to go back over this one with some more powder, but after you've set it with the gel, you really cannot go back in with powder very well. It just kind of crumbles off because this really does stick down the brows and it's completely dry. So I think maybe if you have not as bare brows as I do, like your brows aren't so sparse and so light in color, you might really enjoy something like this. I think the powder is a bit impractical for me. I think I have to use way too much product because my brows are so light in color that I need a lot of color on them. Next for primer, we have the L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base, which I think is supposed to be like the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I could be wrong, but that's exactly what it looks like. Come on, why? Let me have my product. Nice little pot. Now this I actually picked up at CVS the other day, so it's not from Ulta, but it does retail for $9. Does not smell like anything. But it has that cute little dollop in it that I think is absolutely adorable. Oh my. That is a creamy primer. Okay. Oh, but it's thick. Okay, yep, I'm pretty sure it's basically the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer because that is exactly what it feels like. Less hydrating though. More silicone-y, but I usually prefer a more moisturizing primer. The real test will be to see how it does with my foundation, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply foundation and we'll be back. So I think overall it looks perfectly fine. My foundation looks pretty good. I'm wearing the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation, and I feel like it looks okay. Then we have some cream products to test out. First being the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Bronzer. I got mine in Summer Fridays. I love the original Putty Bronzer, so I'm hoping that I like the Luminous one as well. It is a little hard to see. It's a little sunny right now. I normally don't have this much sun coming in when I'm trying to film, but it's a little sunny. Okay, I'm gonna blend this out, I promise. I'm not leaving it like this. I already feel as though this one may be a little bit denser in the pan. It has been a minute since I tested out the Putty Bronzer for the first time, and maybe I need to go back and watch and see if it was as hard to get out as it is right now, because I do feel a little bit like it's kind of difficult to get out of the pan currently. And then I'm just going to take my sponge. I don't think it blends out as easy as the regular Putty bronzer either. I'm not feeling like it's blending as buttery smooth as I'm used to the Putty bronzer blending out. Other than it's harder to blend out, I'm not noticing a huge difference in the product itself, like the color. I don't feel like this is any more luminous than the Putty bronzer itself. I mean, it's cute. It definitely looks good. I'm not surprised by that at all. I love e.l.f., as we probably all know. And that retails for $7, by the way. Forgot to mention that. Then we have some cream blushes by Essence. These are the Baby Got Blush stick blushes. They both retail for $5. I got the shades Peaches and Cream and Tickle Me Pink. Now, Peaches and Cream got mutilated in the bag. It looks really rough, so I'm not going to test this one out today because I want to like cut that layer off because the cap came off and it like hit a bunch of stuff that was in the bag and like got destroyed. And you know, now when I think about it, I don't think anything in the bag was covered in blush, so I like really don't know what this touched. So I'm gonna cut the top layer off that one. So for today we're gonna use Tickle Me Pink because I do not trust that at all. And I'm just gonna brush some on. I do have a powder blood. Oh no. Smells like bubblegum. Either bubblegum or like lip smackers. Getting some lip smackers vibes from this, and it smells amazing. And the color is really pretty too. Oh, it smells so good. It makes me hungry. That is so cute. I don't know if you guys can see it all that well. It's very subtle, but it is so beautiful. Like, I love that. Okay, I'm gonna set my face and then we're gonna test out the powder blush. I am so excited. This is probably one of the most exciting things that I have to test out today, and it is the Too Faced Cloud Crush blush. I cannot. I got mine in Golden Hour, which is a diffused satin. Y'all, this packaging is everything. It's everything. I love it so much. Too Faced packaging could literally get me to buy anything. Like, I don't feel like the color of the outside matches the color of the inside very well. On camera, it looks like it does. In person, this looks much more pink, and the outside looks much more like peach. But I'm still super excited. Still cannot wait. I'm gonna take my Firma 102 brush because my normal blush brush is not clean. And I'm just gonna dab it in a little bit. Oh my gosh. Okay, when you dab into it, the weird smell that it has kind of goes away and it kind of smells good. A little bit like perfume, a little bit like baby powder. Now, I will say this is a little bit more of a baby pink than what I normally go with. But I think that's mainly the reason I got it in this oh no. Oh no. I really gotta like blend out this blush because like I've got very harsh blush lines happening here. I definitely love the blush. It's really hard for me to not like a blush unless it either has like no color or smells horribly. It's really hard for me to not like a blush. I'm gonna give that blush a 5 out of 5. It's really cute and the packaging is 100 out of 5, so excuse me, why do I look like I'm on fire? So next we have another Too Faced product, and it is the Too Faced Better Than Sex chocolate eyeliner. I'm so ready for this. You guys can't even imagine. I saw them launch. They were doing a brown version of the eyeliner and the mascara, and I was like, I have to have that. I've been looking for a brown mascara and brown eyeliner, and I'm just going Too Faced, I guess. The thing is, I've never even tried the Better Than Sex eyeliner, so this is all new for me. I love it. I love it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a little point on the end of this, like a little tiny, like some of the bristles are like longer than the rest of them, and it kept stabbing me in the eye, and I think that's just like a manufacturing problem, but like that wasn't great. I'm gonna curl my lashes, and then we're gonna test out the Better Than Sex chocolate mascara. This is my mom's favorite mascara, not the chocolate, but the original Better Than Sex. So I am very much looking forward to the chocolate one. All right, this is a very like hefty feeling wand and packaging in general. So far, I really, really like this. Okay, so I absolutely love both of those a lot. I just think that the brown mascara and the brown eyeliner really brings together a natural makeup look. And I added some freckles and stuff, and I still have to put on my lipstick, but I love it. All right, so that is my full face of new makeup. I know there was a few products missing, but it was basically a full face. I'm super happy with all these makeup products. Like, we have a very cute natural look happening today. The only thing I think is questionable is the Wet n Wild brows, and it's only because I think it's just not the product for me. I need something with a lot of pigment that's really easy to like draw fine lines and like fine hairs, and a powder pen sort of thing is like not it for me, although the gel is fantastic and I definitely will use the gel again, but maybe not the powder as much, and maybe someday they'll sell the gel separately. We'll see. But overall, really cute look, really cute products. Love it. My favorite things are definitely the Too Faced eyeliner mascara and the Essence blushes. Definitely my favorite things today. Alright, I think that's all for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped. If you're looking to get any of these products, I definitely would say that all of them are worth the money, because the products that were like, are really cheap, and the products that are more expensive are amazing. Fair prices, fair prices. They're beautiful, I love them. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here. I would greatly appreciate that. I post new videos every single week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Like, took me extra long to get to the camera for some reason.